J. Edgar Hoover should be dug up and his head should be stuck in a pole. Who cares if he was a drag queen or not? He was the most evil human being who ever walked the face of the earth.
He's a monster.
The last cowboy in America.
I hate him.
J. Edgar Hoover is W Lammers.
J. Edgar Hoover, back from the dead in a gown designed by Edith Head. I'm a tough guy, see, but we like to cross-dress. Me and Roy Cohn and Elliot Ness, everybody's gay. We've got the pictures on file. Everybody's by. We're living a lie in the closet or in denial. Everybody, 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 everybody's gay. Once you're gone, they brand you a fag. Eleanor was FDR in drag. Gays in the military, yeah, what's new? I liked Ike, he liked me too. Everybody, 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 everybody's gay.